Hi guys, I'm Liz Vaccarello, editor of Real Simple, and today I thought we'd talk about bangs. I've had bangs my entire life, and so I'm used to fielding all sorts of questions from how do you keep them trimmed, to how do you keep them from frizzing up, to how do you keep them shining. And so today I thought I'd answer all of your questions. First up, bang trim. The biggest tip is don't try this at home. If possible, leave bangs in the hands of the professionals. But if you're stuck at home or you're going out and you notice a stray here or there, the number one tip is never cut straight across. You think that you're making the right rule, but you're not. My hairstylist always taught me to cut up and in, little tiny chops, up and in, until you get the fringy look that you need. Now let's talk about the blow dry. The first rule of thumb is to get a product that you love, that smooths your hair, that can really get in and tame a cowlick and leave a shine. I use Nunzio's The Cream. It works wonders for me. Now, when you blow dry the bang, particularly if you have cowlicks, and most of us do right here, make sure you swipe left and then swipe right with the brush. Then go in when you're done with a little bit of a round brush to give it some lift. Okay, friends, this is probably the most important part of all. Once you have your bangs the way you want them, they're smooth, they're shiny, you have to make them last all day, all night, sometimes 2 or 3 days. I have naturally frizzy hair, people, and I can make a good bang blowout last 5 days with 2 things, a little bit of dry shampoo and a cap. The key is you never let weather or water touch the bangs. The minute I leave the house or work, I put this cap on to protect the bangs from heat, humidity, even a good gust of wind can send this cowlick into overdrive. So here's how you do it. So for the cap demonstration, I'm going to turn to the side. It's a little complicated. Okay, you take the ponytail swirl, stick it up in the cap, position the brim, side swipe those bangs under the seam of the brim, do a safety check for any stray bangs, and voila, no humidity, no raindrops are touching these babies. Then, when you get to where you need to go, you take the hat off, you zhuzh the bangs back in place, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, those are my bang tips for the day. I hope they were helpful, and I'll see you next time.